What's up, everyone? It's Antonio. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to begin utilizing the Growthub API token and show you some of the powerful workflows that it enables with your agents. So it can be utilized across Claude code or ChatGPT or any other agentic workflow. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your profile settings inside of the Growthub AI user account. And inside of there, you'll be able to actually navigate and under API token, you can create access privileges. Access privileges are just going to enable your agents to actually be able to read and write into your brand kits and then really have a governed intelligence layer to manage your context as well as guardrails in a truly governed way that's fully versioned and manageable, which I'll show you how this all works. So first thing you want to do is just think of this as a way to actually help your agents get access to the tools and context they need across all of your different clients, and it's perfect for actually generating on-brand outputs. Under the API tokens, you are able to name it, give it a description as well as an expiration date, and here is the key privileges that you'll want to specify. So I'll be breaking down and showing you some use cases, but here is all of the current ones that are supported, and we'll be continuously adding more powerful capabilities into this exact API. Once you have your token, then you can start utilizing it inside of your threads. Simple way to get started utilizing the API key is basically just after you set it up, we're going to open up one brand kit. We're going to make sure the agents have access and that they can start working. Inside of our GitHub, we have the official API token skill file. You want to utilize this with all of the agents, especially when starting out. Giving it the API token that you just created as well as your goal, it's going to really help speed things up and save you a lot of tokens. So making sure, first of all, too, that the agent actually has access, that it's able and capable of using the API, has access to the skill file. It's going to make things a lot easier. So it was able to authenticate in the appropriate manner through the skills file. You do need to have the repository access or have your Growthub profile set up. As long as you have that, then you can easily get access to this API token. So I told it, now that it's aware of the brand kit, it pulled all the information. We need to improve the conversion assets, and I gave it a good solid prompt. I could share that prompt with you, but specifically for high converting ads, very satisfied with the outputs, and the new improved approach is definitely in the right direction. So I told it now to just save the key learnings and memories back to the Renewal by Anderson brand kit. And this is especially important for future agent sessions. And it's also going to be, once approved by a human, be added as a new node inside of the AI brain that we're building for this client. So I'm happy with the results. The optimizer is all good. And now it's going to push that learning back, and we're going to go accept that. Alrighty, so inside of the actual brand kit now, if you're wondering how to navigate there, all you have to do is go to your drop down. You'll see the brand kit where you can manage it. It'll show you all of the brand kits and in a card. Click into this and then it'll show you the request notifications. But the proposal is cleanly mapped, outlined in the memories here. Now I do recommend that you have the agents provide that rationale that will show up here, just why it should be added to the brand kit. That's helpful for actual versioning and history. But everything we need to actually review as a human to give the final okay is perfectly sound. So I agree with this. What we want to do now is hit the approve or deny if you want to accept it. And of course, we're going to approve this. Once it's actually added, then the version will automatically update. So every time that you actually, as a human, accept a request from an agent, it's going to update the version and it's going to move that forward. Of course, there's rollback protections. You have full control over that. But now our memories are added inside of the actual brain, and it's fully available for all future agents to really utilize this math equation specified here. We can also copy and paste this and share this across different agents and their threads, but as you can see, there's some specification here for this brand kit, and that's where the intelligence layer really gets valuable over time for optimizing key outputs based on what's working and what isn't, and then optimizing the agents runs to be able to deliver on that. So that is how we build out this brain kit and how agents are actually able to be the ones contributing and really managing everything, and humans just being the oversight and, of course, being the last final decision makers. I definitely will record more videos using Claude and how to set this up too. But as mentioned, make sure that you're using the desktop or the Mac app for either Claude or ChatGPT. That's going to be the best environment to use this API key in. You can just use it in the regular chat, and it's very powerful that way. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Of course, it's Antonio. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.